Hey, what's up guys? So many iPhone users are facing a color volume issue. So in this video, we will try to fix that. I will tell you some tips and tricks that you can try out to end the problem. So for the first one, you have to go to your settings, then you have to scroll down and go to accessibility. And here you have to scroll down and select audio and visual. After selecting audio and visual, you have to make sure that the phone noise cancellation is turned off. After turning off, go back to accessibility. And now here select hearing devices. Now here you have to select hearing aid compatibility. After turning it on, go back to accessibility. Then go back to your settings. Here you have to go to general and select software update and make sure that your device is on the latest software version, as the previous software version might contain a bug of low color volume. After that, go back to accessibility and here select touch. Now here you have to scroll down and select audio call routing, and you have to make sure that it is on automatic instead of that Bluetooth or speaker. And if there is still the issue, then you have to scroll down and select transfer phone or reset. Here select reset and then select reset all settings. This will basically reset all the settings of your iPhone like it was sent from factory reset. Then in the end, you can try out another trick that almost solves any iPhone problem. You have to simply click on power up, then power down, and then long press the power button until the Apple logo appears. You have to keep pressing the power button until the Apple logo appears. By the way, if you are new around the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. As you can see, the Apple logo is appeared and my device is finally done hard reset. Hopefully these tricks will solve the iPhone color problem of your device. If still not, then make sure to clean your speakers or the mic. If you cannot do it alone at home, then make sure to go to a market and clean it from there. Do not forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section that it solved.